So guys, another night. Pauwi na tayo guys at andito na ang ating sundo. Wait lang. Assalamualaikum bossing. Sundo yan guys. So, siya po yung may dala ng sasakyan ngayong araw. So, sundo po tayo. How are you today? Why are you reminding me? Tomorrow is the day. So tomorrow it's my off and your off, so probably it's not an off.
Off day is the only day where we get to clean
Yeah.
and chill. After the whole house is clean. I cannot relax if anything is not clean.
So basically tomorrow is not a day off.
It's a therapy. Cleaning is therapy.
Anyway, how's your day?
It's just outside and I'm hopefully
By the way, yeah. So, I know I've seen some of our comment on our YouTube channel that they're saying that you are already fluent speaking Tagalog. So like what kind of word of like mostly like you heard when people I like my kabayan like Filipino people, you remember like the Tagalog word that they are saying?
See, if you guys are talking Tagalog in front of me,
Yeah.
each other not with me, but in front of me, I understand everything.
Okay.
At least like what you guys are talking about. So it's not like I'm standing there and you guys can talk something negative about me. Because I would understand. That's why no one talks about me.
Basically, hindi na to mabenta guys. Hindi ko na mabenta like pag ako nagsasalita ng Tagalog like this, pag ganito, naiintindihan niya na. So, wala nang lusot guys. But no one talk to you
Kasi
like
alam ko
that.
Tagalog.
Alam na Tagalog.
Hindi konti. Sobra.
Marami na.
Marami.
Okay.
You guys know, if I can talk
Mm. Uy, I'm so foggy in this video, no?
no, it's just a nice.
So guys, how long you been driving here in Dubai now?
Just wait, because I'm always I'm high blood.
Why?
You know why? Because after some years I drive this car
Okay.
and I check the kilometers.
Yeah, I know. I'm planning.
You
I know.
that you have to change the oil, right?
Yeah, I
I'm
know.
not the one who
That's
will
why
change. No.
it's my off tomorrow. That's my plan. Part of my plan, boss. Don't worry. You don't have to worry about this thing.
Yeah,
And I will just
Aliana says she wants to play in the play area
when
tomorrow.
okay
So we
while
can play
doing
tomorrow.
while you are doing the play, I will
Look,
make.
this bobo guy.
What are you calling?
These people with the big cars, they don't know how to drive.
You don't know how to U-turn because it's so close, no?
No love, he's bobo.
Don't say bobo. Ay. So guys, by the way, hindi pa. What is our dinner today?
So because my brother is there and
Mhm.
it's Tuesday
Mm,
and I'm always on the budgeting side,
budgeting.
so I know
Always naman.
we always have to eat over. So today's Tuesday, I will get my pizza.
Let's go.
So we're gonna have that. I've already ordered for pickup.
Ah,
So while on the way home, we're just gonna pick up, go home, Aliana is sleeping, Netflix and chill because we're off.
sana all Netflix and chill.
Guys, if I start talking, I'm
Sobra daldal ka na ngayon. So let's guys, wait lang. We will update you. She's gonna drive for now. And yeah, let's guys, Tuesday ngayon, so buy one get one. Oh. So guys, hindi pa ready yung order kasi sabi ni
No,
pina-timing.
because there was only the option of 11 p.m. So that's what I put.
So, by the time we are waiting, punta muna kami sa grocery para bumili ng ano?
To grocery, love. Just grocery alone.
Anong bibili tayo ng ano? Anong bibili natin? Oh,
Coke, yeah.
soft drinks guys. Bili kami ng soft drinks. Kasi cheat day ngayon eh.
Oh, I think it's labubu. It's labubu.
Yes, we are anti-labubu.
We are anti-labubu.
We are labobo. What are we?
We judge people who have labubu because it's their choice. Diba?
But, yeah, better to spend somewhere with the money.
Yeah, really.
So guys, nandito kami sa Market Union 2. Sobrang laki. Ang daming sale dito. Yun, no? Oh, Pepal. Oh. Ganito guys, grocery sa ano, mga market sa UAE. Ito yung mall. Yan. Uy, Pampers. 58 yun. Oh. Chocolate. So guys, hindi muna tayo ng soft drinks, mga paka-baby, yogurt, saka juice. Favorite niya yung apple juice kasi. So lagi siya nag-aas. Asa na si Mrs. na ligaw na ito. Where are you? Guys, nawawala si Mrs. Guys, nandito pa pala si Mrs. sa loob. Wait lang natin guys. So guys, yan.
Did that continue to stop recording?
Yeah.
Why?
No, I know, no, because maybe some of the local will pick in their cameras. So kasi guys, bawal talaga yung mag-video ng ano, mas pag may mga lokal na
Respect.
yeah, sa respect. Ay, sorry. So, kaso guys, yan, wala nang tao dito sa mall. Oy. Ah, tatoy. Tara guys, pick upin na natin yung pizza and gutom na kami. 11 na boss. Yeah, they're also closing. Are they closing now? Ah, okay. Ah, yeah. What did you buy, love? What did you order?
Stuffed crust super supreme and pan super supreme.
Hey. Thank you. So, yan. Oh, ready na.
Diet pa more.
Diet pa yan guys ha. Cheat day kasi ngayon namin. Every day off.
Once a week, there should be a cheat day. You should enjoy your life also.
Oh guys, nandito na kami sa building namin. Lapit na, gutom na kami parehas. Gutom ka na.
I'm just quiet. I'm just cleaning.
Gutom na yan. Malapit na. So guys, yan. Kakain na kami and thank you for watching. Subscribe na kayo sa aming YouTube channel.
Share, like, subscribe, comment.
Go. Good night.
Good night.